But it shows us, number one, that the person should be keen not to ask for positions where he's going to be asked. And also that the punishment of a person who's being assigned with something he asked for and he did not fulfill it, his punishment is severe, that he will be regretting it on the day of resurrection. Also, it shows us most of the people who are keen to take the imara and the leadership are trying to enhance their social, rank amongst the community, or maybe enhance their salaries, or enhance their reputation. So it's to do with fame, it's to do with wealth, it's to do with everything. So it's to do with the dunya, nothing to do with the akhirah. And that's why the Prophet of Allah said, إِنَّكُمْ سَتَحْرِصُونَ, you're going to be keen to go and get these positions to be leaders, but wait a second, you're going to be regretting it on the day of resurrection. And the Prophet ﷺ, he had said in a hadith, مَا ذِئْبَانِ جَائِعًا, there's no two wolves who are more hungry, that if they are to be sent in a bunch of sheep, a herd of sheep, they will, I don't know if you've seen how does the wolf, when he meets a sheep, he just want to kill, regardless if he eats or not. Even if he's full, he just eat from this and eat from this, he will leave nothing. So if the wolf, if he's full, still he kills the sheep. So what about if he's hungry? So the Prophet said, مَا ذِئْبَانِ جَائِعًا, two wolves who are hungry, being sent in a herd of sheep, that there will be more ruining than this, which is what? The wealth. The wealth, and the person is keen to be wealthy, and also he is keen to be elevated in the society. This will ruin his deen, ruin his position with Allah Azza wa Jal, just like these two hungry wolves being sent in the sheep. So nobility and asking for position and asking for wealth, these are the two things, these are the two wolves that would kill your position with Allah Azza wa Jal. It will kill the sheep and it will kill you as well. And this hadith, by the way, إِنَّكُمْ سَتَحْرِصُونَ عَلَى الْإِمَارَةِ, is from the prophethood sign, because it's telling us something that is happening these days. People, the Muslims, are keen to be presidents and kings, and they fight for it and they kill for it, they revolt for the sake of it. So the Prophet ﷺ, he had warned us, yet this had happened. Warned us against this, and still people did not stop fighting and killing his own father for the sake of leadership, killing his own brother for the sake of leadership. You know that the one in Oman, he killed his own father in order to take the leadership. This is how it is, like this. The one who was in Qatar, Sheikh Hamad, he had tricked his father to get the leadership. But I'm just saying, this is how it is. The Prophet ﷺ, he said that you will be keen to take the leadership.